What's up, everybody? My name is B.L.A.N. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. So, RYOBI 18-volt workshop blower. This little guy. Take a look at this little thing. Okay, so if you're doing some workshop stuff, this is a great blower. But this is why I got this blower. My garage, constantly, stuff is blowing in the garage and I gotta sweep it out. And then it's blowing in the garage and I had to sweep it out. And I got rid of my gas blower because it just stunk up the entire house. Stunk up the entire garage, and let's be honest, it's ruining the environment one little thing at a time, right? So, no, really, to be honest with you, it just stunk up the garage and then went into the house, and I didn't want that smell in there. So I got this, and I said, this could be an awesome alternative if it blows hard enough to get rid of the junk in the garage, okay? The little stuff, all the little helicopters that are coming in. So today I got home, and the helicopters were all over my driveway, and I was done with it. So what I did is I took this little guy off. I got some, what do you call this? Gorilla tape. And I got a little extension wand, rigid extension wand. It's for wet and dry vacs, okay? Down in Home Depot, got this. Then I got this little connector. And it just happened to just slide over top of it. It had a little wiggle room, so I put a little Gorilla tape on there. Put that on there. And now I'm 6 foot tall, and this wand, let me back up. This wand right here is on the ground. You don't want it on the ground when you're obviously hit it. You don't want to hit it on the ground, but you want to keep it maybe, this far away from the ground. And it works fantastic. So it has 3 different switches on it. Okay, 1 is here, 2, and 3. All right. The cool part is if you're on 3 and you don't want that full power, just don't pull the trigger as hard. This is on 3. I'm pulling the trigger a little harder. A little harder. And there it goes. It's like turbo, right? So I absolutely love it. The battery doesn't last obviously long if you're on 3 and you're holding the turbo down. I did my entire garage on the inside and blew all the stuff that was in the garage out. All the little helicopters that were all over my two car driveway, up the sidewalks, around back, all the back area. The golf green, I blew off the little helicopters off the chipping green I have. Here's the thing, if you're lefty, this is the intake, okay? So remember what this is really, the purpose of this thing was to just do your workbench, okay? So it's perfect for that. Home run. If you're lefty, it's gonna work perfect, okay? If you are right-handed, the intake is here and it will get stuck on your clothes. You're going around, it'll hit your leg. And I don't know, so it's all right, no big deal. And obviously you've got the motor on this side of it. It's fantastic. Honestly, you guys, for the elderly, super light, right? For the young, super light. I'm a window cleaner. I'll be taking this to my next job for gutter cleaning. I will also use this for cobwebs. Like if they're up in the top of the windows, I'll blow them all out of there. This is just going to be a fantastic tool. It's going to be a universal tool for us here as window cleaners for my home. It's just going to be a great thing. So if you guys want to check it out, go to Home Depot and you can purchase one, or take a look below and I have a link for Amazon affiliate link below. So you guys can just click that and you guys can just have one shipped right to your house. I love you. Until next time. See you guys.